celebrate you, Miss Nana. This is your special day. Let the whole world know. Today the sunshine shines a little brighter, because it's your day, Miss Nana. May every dream inside your heart turn into something beautiful. You deserve the sweetest moments. You deserve love and happiness. So let the music play tonight and celebrate the woman you are. Raise your hands up to the sky, make a wish and close your eyes. Leave every worry far behind. Tonight your heart is meant to shine. Happy birthday, Miss Nana. We celebrate your life tonight. Happy birthday, Miss Nana. May your heart be filled with light. More love, more joy, more blessings, more beautiful days to come. Happy birthday, Miss Nana. Tonight, you are the shining one. May every morning bring you laughter. May every night bring you peace. May the people who truly love you always stay close to you. And wherever life may take you, may you never lose your smile. Keep believing in your dreams and keep shining all the while.
This is your moment, Nana.
Let your
Beautiful smile shine,
We wish you love forever.
and happiness for all your life.
Tonight we celebrate you. Oh,
Tonight we sing your name.
Miss Nana, happy
May
birthday.
your life never be the same.
Happy birthday, Miss Nana. Oh, we celebrate your life tonight. Happy birthday, Miss Nana. May your future be so bright. More love, more joy, more blessings. May your dreams all come true. Happy birthday, Miss Nana. This special song is made for you. Oh, Nana.
Happy birthday, you.
May love surround you.
May happiness follow you.
Today, tomorrow, forever. Happy birthday, Miss Nana. Oh yeah. Tonight we celebrate you, Miss Nana. This is your special day. Let the whole world know. Today the sunshine shining a bit bright, because it's your day, Miss Nana. May every dream inside your heart turn into something beautiful. You deserve the sweetest moments. You deserve love and happiness. So let the music play tonight and celebrate the woman you are. Raise your hands up to the sky, make a wish and close your eyes. Leave every worry far behind. Tonight, your heart is meant to shine. Happy birthday, beautiful days to come.
Happy birthday, Miss Nana.
Tonight you are the shining one.
May every morning bring you laughter.
May every night bring you peace.
May the people who truly love you always stay close to you. And wherever life may take you,
May you never lose your smile.
keep believing in your dreams and keep shining all the while.
This is your moment.
Nana,
Let your beautiful smile
we
shine.
wish you love forever.
And happiness for all your life.
Tonight we sing your praise.
Tonight we sing your name.
Miss Nana, happy birthday.
May your life never be the same.
Happy birthday, Miss Nana.
We celebrate your life tonight.
Happy birthday, Miss Nana. May your future be so bright.
More love, more joy, more blessings. May your dreams all come true.
Happy birthday, Miss Nana.
This special song is made for you.
Oh, Nana,
Happy birthday to you.
may love surround you.
May happiness follow you.
Today, tomorrow,